Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm back with one more video, and this time it's not about the interview experience, but this time it's all about what are the things you may expect during the technical round as well as the HR. And today we have two friends, and if you're not yet seen these people's Mindtree interview experience, you can click on above link and just go and have a look into that. And if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit on the bell icon and subscribe to the channel. And after completion of this video, you'll be getting clarity about what are the questions you may expect from a panelist during the technical round. Additional to that, we may expect question during the HR round. And point number two, you'll be expecting what are the syllabus you have to prepare before going to technical round. And without wasting much time, let's start the video, starting with Kaushik.
Yeah. Hi guys, my name is Kaushik. I got placed in Mindtree. When I cleared the assignment, they sent me mail regarding TR, and they said maybe around 2 days time was there. In those 2 days, there will be I learned these technologies like Java, C++, and C, and mainly they will focus on OOPS concepts like Java and C++, and they won't be giving more preference for Python. I don't know why they won't give more preference, but they will be giving more preference on only for Java and C++ and C. And there will be some situation type of questions will be asked for someone, but for me they didn't ask any situation type questions. And when it comes to some original questions like programming questions, and for me they what they asked is they said me to write a palindrome question, and afterwards he has given me a code, and he said say the output of that code. Actually, for that code there won't be any output. There is a exception which will come. So I said, so for that code exception will come.
Okay.
And afterwards that he asked some basic questions like what is an array, and what is your, first of all he will ask what is your preferred language.
Okay.
So he will ask the questions based on that language only. And I said, when he asked that question for me, I said Java is my preferred language. So he asked me questions related on basic Java only. And he asked the first question like what is an array and string, and some kind of loops. For loop syntax, they will ask more or less, they will focus on syntaxes. And after that he gave me a syntax for here 4 syntaxes of array. And among those 4 syntaxes there are two syntaxes only, those are correct, and another two are wrong. And he said that identify those which are right, which are correct, and which are wrong.
Okay.
And in that four syntaxes, here there are jagged arrays also, and normal arrays.
Okay.
And further, so for in one syntax he has mentioned size, and among three he didn't mention any size.
Okay.
He may confuse you. So we need to be strong. We need to be strong on basics of whatever the language you prefer. And
so Kaushik got it. So sorry to interrupt you. Like as you mentioned, they will be giving 4 options, and they will say you to choose any 2 correct options, right? Like
yeah, there will be there will be four correct, or maybe any one correct.
More than one
yeah.
correct answer. So like they will be sharing a screen, or just by orally asking.
They will be sharing screen.
Sharing screen. Got it.
Yeah.
So carry on with other questions.
Afterwards that he may ask some questions like if he wants to ask deeply, he may ask like a multi-threading concepts, and inheritance and polymorphism, types of polymorphism. Yeah, those are the questions. And project, we have to be, if you want to explain our project, if he ask, if casually he won't ask about project. For me, he didn't ask about my project. But if you want to explain our project, we should be very damn sure about that project. We should be very clear about that. We should be knowing every point of that project. And that's it. For me, he asked about all that. And
so Kaushik,
he didn't ask for me any situational type questions. So that's it actually from my side.
So coming to the, like if you're looking into the insight of a project, like is the questions like what is your role in the project, any kind of question, such kind of question?
Yeah, I said, sir, can I explain about my project? He didn't say asked about any question about my project.
Okay.
I only said
Mhm.
I only asked him to explain whether to explain my project or not.
Okay.
Then he said, okay, if you are going to explain your project, we should be explained very clarity.
Clarity. Okay.
So then I explained, and then he asked the questions. So what is your role in that project, and from where you are collecting the data, and how you are going to manage the data, like that.
Got it. Great question. Great. So coming to Pavani, so she'll be giving a small insight about her technical role. So Pavani, over to you.
In that 2 days, I learned Java, and after that SQL also. And in that Java, I expected OOPS concepts with examples, and multi-threading and exception handling. After that Java, coming to the SQL, I expected questions like primary key and foreign key, and statements, SQL statements, and joins. Expected these questions, and also I learned the projects and internship also I have learned. And after that I thought like they will ask scenario questions. In the technical day, I introduced myself, and in that I mentioned like I'm good at these skills, that mean Java and SQL. So and after that I mentioned like project and internship, and she asked me project and internship also, with briefly, and she asked to raise the questions in the project, and also she asked in internship also she asked some questions. After that coming to that skills, she said like you are good at Java and SQL, so I will go with that Java only. So she asked some questions on Java. I like OOPS concepts and multi-threading, and exception handling. What is exception? She asked, not exception handling. And after that, she gave me 2 coding questions. First one is she gave one string like my name. She gave Cordula Pavani. So we have to remove the duplicates. After that, second question is multiple inheritance using interface. So we have to write the code, and we have to execute, and we have to explain it. After that, coming to the and she asked inner class also. She asked
inner class.
Inner classes. And after that, coming to SQL, she asked what is the primary key difference between the primary key and foreign key. And also she asked self join. And and we had to I wrote like SQL queries also. She gave some scenario, just simple scenario. So we can I can easy to write. And after that actually I didn't mention in data structures in resume also, but she asked me data structures also. Like what is linear search and binary search, and what is stack, what is queue, and what is bubble sort.
So coming to SQL, like whether they asked her to answer in orally or just they said to execute the query, like how was it?
Yes.
They said to execute the query.
No. Oh, actually I wrote the query just.
Okay. Got it. So additional to that, guys, like if you ask my suggestion, first impression is the best impression. So when you join any particular meeting, whether platform may be a Zoom call or any Google Meet, the first basic thing what a panelist will be saying to you is your dressing sense. So before joining, make sure that you dress well. I suggest you to wear a formal, which is white color with a clean background. That makes a very good impression on the panel member. Additional to that, make sure about your introduction and what you introduce to the panel member. Based upon that only questions will be framed, and you will be clearing the technical round. So make sure that you control the technical round instead of the panel member control the technical round. And if possible, just make sure your introduction is less than 60 seconds. Make sure that in that 60 seconds, interviewer should get a clarity about who you are and what you are about to. And in that 60%, you should cover all these points. So additional to it, guys, while joining a meeting, make sure that you start the conversation, because if you start by saying like good morning sir, good morning ma'am, a panel member will get the kind of conclusion that this kind of guy, like this guy have a kind of confidence and he is good to go. So that impression will build into a panel member. So make sure that you start the interaction instead of waiting to the panel member, and that is the final point. how was your day? Like, how did you start the interaction with the panel members? Can you talk on that?
Yeah. When technical interview sir came in the window, then I said, "Hi sir, how are you?" That's it. I said, "How are you?" It should be very plain and don't extend it for too long. Like someone will say, I saw someone who asked like, "Sir, have you had lunch? Have you had dinner?" Don't extend like that. It will mess up our things, and it should be very plain and decent. That's it.
Professionalism.
Yeah. Professional. It should be professional.
Starting with Kaushik.
Okay, Akshay. Yeah, actually, Mindtree's HR round won't be like any other company's HR round. Like in other companies, they will be asking like, how where will you see after your 5 years, and what are your weakness, what are your strength. They won't be asking any kind of this, but there will be a talk like casual talk like between a friends, how friends will talk. The total HR round will be based on that only. But we should talk very in a polite way. We should not talk in a how we talk like with friends. We should speak in a polite way, and it should be very nice. That's it. And in HR there is a chance to ask about project also. Not only in TR, in HR there will be chance, because I asked to one friend. He said, yeah, for him they asked about his project, and then also he explained his project, and that's it actually. That's it from HR.
Got it. So Pavani, any talk on that? Like, just say that how was the HR on? Like, did they ask regarding your family, anything? Any talk on that?
In HR, it is just a casual talk. It is very different from other companies. In that, he asked like, you are Andhra Pradesh, why you are joining in Karnataka college. And also, I mentioned like in my hobbies. Actually, I didn't mention any hobbies. I have some varied interest, like something I like. I mentioned traveling, browsing. So new people and learn their culture. So what he asked me that only. What you learn with other people. Where you went.
So got it, Pavani. Like he'll be having a casual talk, right? Like based upon your CV or like overall thing, he'll be explaining with you, right? Did they ask anything regarding the family background or any location, anything on that?
Yes, actually, they asked me. Like what is your father occupation? I said like my father is a civil engineer. So why you were joining CSC? And he asked like that.
He will be asking like why you are interested to join CSC instead of other departments, like.
Yes.
So are they discussing about the locations, like locations, the salary package, anything on that?
Yes, actually.
They will got it. And is there any expected questions related to the project, anything?
Project? No, nothing.
No. Okay. So overall, like from what I was able to understand is overall there will be a casual talk in HR.
Yes, it is all casual talk only.
Okay. Got it. So yeah, guys, this is almost we are done. So additional to that, guys, whatever you speak with the confidence, and just think that the HR is your friend. And when you think in that manner, the way of speaking and way of approaching will become easier. And additional to that, make sure that just try to understand the structure of organization. Okay. So, and additional to that, if you are joining a Mindtree, just try to check with history, and it's like what is Mindtree is all about, and just try to get the knowledge about the company, so that he may ask the question that what do you know about Mindtree. So when he shoot such kind of questions, you may say something regarding the company. And this is a small tip from my side. And almost we're done with today's video. And Kaushik and Pavani, thank you for joining us, giving your insight about TR and HR. And I appreciate you both for joining me today. The list. So guys, anything you want to suggest to audience, Kaushik and Pavani?
Yes, actually.
Yeah, starting with Pavani.
My advice is any concept you learned, you have to learn with examples. Then it is good for then only you get impression from interview.
Got it. So Kaushik, any talk on that?
Yeah, actually, when it comes to suggestions, just be just to get better to it's better to always get clarity on the basics of any language. It doesn't matter whether if you are learning Java or C or C++. It doesn't matter. Just get clarity about arrays, strings, and loops concepts. These three are enough.
Got it. So guys, additional to that, I would like to say learning is nothing but the imagining the things. When you imagine the things, the learning make easier. So instead of learning the concept just for academic purpose, doesn't make any sense. You are wasting your time. You are wasting your resource. Just learn the concept for the upcoming life, and when you learn in that motivation, the things will make easier. So this is what I'm trying to say, and yeah guys, this is all about today's video. And thank you Kaushik and Pavni for taking time and joining us, giving insight about the TR as well as HR.
Anytime, Akshay.
Thank you, Akshay.
And yeah guys, this is all about today's video, and I think you got a clarity about what you have to prepare and what you can expect during the TR, HR, and I think you got clarity about how to start the interaction, how to dress during the technical round, and I think what are the conversation during the HR and all. And if you're not a subscribe to our channel, please do subscribe, share the channel and hit the like button. In addition to that, we also have a Telegram community group. You can be part of group, and if you have any kind of questions, you can shoot over there. People will surely answer them. And thank you guys. Thank you once again for joining us today.
Thank you, Akshay.
Anytime.
And yeah, guys, that's it for today. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.
Bye.